Hi everybody, this is part 4 of the series SEO for bloggers, and we are going to talk about why Google likes longer posts. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging since 2016. Right, so we know that RankBrain measures user experience based on signals like the click-through rate, like the dwell time, and like the bounce rate, and ranks the search results accordingly. But there's something else. Google prefers longer, more in-depth posts. If you think about it, we know that dwell time is one of the factors. It's a signal that users give to Google. The longer they spend on it, the better. And if you have longer, more in-depth posts, some people, a lot of people in fact, will spend longer on it than if you have a very short post. It makes sense. And if we take a look at this graph, on the left hand side we've got the number of words, and going along the bottom here, the position on page 1 of Google, 1 being the top position and 9 being the bottom. Well, there are sometimes more than 9 results, but we're just saying 9 here. There could be more. But it's going down, as you see, as the number of words go down. In fact, the top ranking result on page 1 of Google, the average length of that content is 2,000 plus words. When we get down to 1,500 words, we're way down here to 9 or 10, result 9 or 10. And if you think back to the figures that we looked at earlier for the amount of traffic that a search result gets, it's around 33% for the first one at the top of the page on page 1 of Google, going down to just a few percent for the bottom results. So to get these page 1 rankings, you need to think about creating some longer in-depth posts. They don't all have to be like that. Most websites and blogs, they don't have every single piece of content as 2,000 words or more. But if they understand what Google wants and what users want, because Google is ranking everything based on user signals, if they understand that, they will always create some very, very high quality and in-depth longer posts.